cannot handle real work, reality talk, 80+ language, simply skip the video.
Today very rainy. The thing is, we did a calisthenics session over here. Why? Because over here it's not muddy, you know, because I know pretty much the most calisthenic spots, the majority of the calisthenic spots here in Sofia, Bulgaria. The thing is, I simply choose also the weather. If it's the weekend, then it's also busy or not, and blah blah blah. Because in the weekend, especially when it's beautiful weather, people all of a sudden need to train. So now this one done deal. Now it's Monday. Yesterday I did a on Sunday is always a special treatment day. Treat myself, spoil myself with 10+ kilometer plus maybe 3 or 4, sometimes 6 calisthenic spots. And then I'm doing everything, and of course I'm not doing my day each. My daily regime is simply 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 4 times, 3 times, 2 times, 1 time. And then, you know, you can see it over here. I'm gonna pop it up again, so I don't have to repeat it every single vlog, because at one point some of the people who watch on a regular basis say, yeah, Dylan, you start to repeat everything, I'm getting sick of it. The thing is, on Monday then I always feel it a little bit. So today the calisthenics regime, I kept it, of course, because you know what, you cannot turn back the time. And the thing is, if I would do half work, and I'm gonna tell you something, because when I was at 5 times, and then at 5 times I thought, okay, what if I just call it a day now? Because when I would walk away, I can never turn the back. I can never turn back the time. So I finished it as I have to, you know, as I should do every single day, the daily regime. The thing is, I talked about it also in another vlog. 5 is really my sweet spot that I can do every single day. So for everybody that is different, because hey, you know, you got people, yeah, they push out 50 dips every single set, but they're not gonna do this every single day, 365 days a year. See, and that's the thing, consistency. And the thing is, it's not, see, in my experience, everything is about over here, but it's between the ears. I need higher level of energy. I need to communicate faster, better, and more, you know, packed in a single conversation with somebody. Bring the most amount of value. Also, you know, observe the people if I give the right amount of energy, etc, etc. So, you know, that actually is more based upon self-protection. Don't waste time on people who anyways are totally, you know, on the other side of the ravine. Because in the past I did this always, you know, I'm gonna explain you a lot of stuff, and in the meantime it goes one ear in and the other one out. Waste of time, waste of energy. And like I always say, there are 8 billion people on the planet. At least one of them wants to do something with their life. 99.99% of the people don't want to. Yeah, they want to, they think they want to, but they're willing to pay the price? No, the majority of people not. They just want $1 million. They just want freedom, and they just want a six-pack. But discipline, structured discipline, levels to the game, levels to the game. If people tell me that they train every day, this is another thing, right? A lot of guys who say this, yeah, the only reason that I would think that they would train is simply because they at the spot, at the calisthenics spot. That's the only way I can see it, physically, mentally, the way they look out of the from their eyes, you know. And there's also one guy, he also, every time he's, you know, he sees me, yeah, I've been training for 12 years. You know, I think, yeah, okay, that is all great, but there's no single fire in your eyes, which means lack of discipline. Disrespect? No. Reality. Everything is reality. The fire in their eyes, the energy, the tonality. Where is the energy? If you train every single day, you got higher level of energy. The thing is, yeah, but then I would be tired. Okay, just check a little bit your diet. Do I promote any kind of diet like those people who have to eat every 2 hours like a confused baby, you know, that you actually cannot live without every 2 hours eating because otherwise you're mentally a wreck? No, I'm just saying, just keep an eye on the sugars. maybe add a little bit something healthy, replace something. Don't get all totally bananas on it. And if you do, of course there are people who do it incredibly, but those people are also again on another level. Respect. But if you think, you know, if there's not muscle on your body, or you have, you know, at 20 years old a guy, and then you get the body of an 8-year-old girl, don't see this as some kind of weird thing. But we all know what that means. And we know a lot of those guys at 20, you know, there's not a muscle on the chest, you know, visible, then get to work, or simply be happy with what you got. But we all know how that works, you know, people who are depressed. But I already said this many times. But anyway, if you have people who feel depressed and who are real depressed, and trust me, I know people who are real and have all the reasons for that. Also, let me make that very clear. But the majority of people comes up with it as an excuse. Is depressed the same as not feeling good? No. If you don't feel good, good. Just do it. That's what I say. Just do it. Just make yourself suffer. And trust me, the majority of people get very quickly cured. How? Put in your running shoes and go for 10. Yeah, but then I still feel depressed. Go for 25. Simple. Yeah, but then I'm still depressed. Then go for 50, 100, 200. Until you can only focus on the pain, your physical pain. Yeah, but then I don't want to run, my knees hurt. I don't know what. Do push-ups. Watch my videos. Maybe get motivated. Maybe you can get in touch with reality somehow, somewhat. Because Papi and Mommy, they're not going to be forever alive. And they won't say every single day, oh, good little Timmy, life is so hard on you, let me feed you with a popsicle. Well, good for the popsicle. Nobody gives a rat's ass about popsicle, because there is no value in a popsicle. Just a temporarily, maybe taste sensation, that's it. Anyway, it's rainy in Sofia, Bulgaria. Still will put in the work calisthenics wise, and now I'm going back to the Airbnb. I'm gonna work from there, from my phone obviously, but I'm not gonna walk around and that kind of stuff because it's wet. Anyway, ciao for now.